Hi. Myself Rajendra Prasad, RP sir. You can just follow my profile at this web link or scan this QR code. You can use the referral code rpcivil for any subscriptions and accessing anything from Unacademy. Now, a wonderful offer is going on all of you. So, what is this wonderful offer? You can say, right? This is 2 days, right? 2 day exclusive. You will be having GATE iconic offer. 10% price drop. You will be having 25% off on your subscription and plus free extra months you will be getting, right? So don't miss this opportunity. Price drop will be there as well as this 25% extra along with that extra months you will be getting, right? You have to be careful, right? Don't miss this. Right, whenever you are taking this 9 months plus an iconic subscription, you will be getting 2 months extra. 18 months subscription, you will be getting which one? This is 3 months extra, right? Don't miss this opportunity. What is that referral code you have to use when you are subscribing? rpcivil. So these are all the advantages or benefits you will be getting from that, you can say. Now, congratulations to GATE 2023 toppers from Unacademy in top 10 from all branches. Now, these are the new batches starting, right? What are these? You can say these are the new batches that are going to start tomorrow. So that is why this offer is given. So do utilize this offer and join these new batches, right? For 2024 it is starting, and for this 2025 batch also it will be starting, you can say, right? So what is it? A referral code you have to use, all of you. rpcivil is a referral code you have to use, everyone, right? And when you are taking this iconic subscription, these are all the books you will be getting in a printed format to your house, right? And no cost EMI option is also given by Unacademy for those who are unable to pay the entire fee at a time, right? And offline batches also started recently on June 19th at our Mehrauli Center, Delhi, you can say. Don't miss this opportunity. Now, coming to our discussions, right? ESC Mains 2023, paper 2, question number 8B, highway engineering, right? This is the question given. If you just observe, what is that question given, right? Question number 8B, spot speed study was carried out to redesign the stretch of the major road, right? There is an existing major road you are having, major district road, MDR, and for redesigning it, spot speed study was conducted, right? The data collected during the study is given below, right? So speed ranges are given, different speed ranges, and two-wheelers how many, cars how many, and others how many, right? If you just observe, we'll calculate this total, right? That would be better now. Total, if you calculate, right, what it comes to be 5 plus 0 plus 0, right? 5 it comes to be, if you just observe, right? 5. Next 20 plus 6 plus 4, that is your 30 it comes to be, right? Next 40, next 55, 120. What else will be having, right? 100. Next is 75. Next 35, you can say, right? 30 and 10, right? Total number of vehicles, if you just observe, how much it comes to be, if you add all these number of vehicles, that comes to be this 500, you can say, everyone, right? Now if you are making in the tabular format here, right, what is that? You can get it if you just observe. So here the speeds are from which one? This is 0 to 10 kmph, 0 to 10 kmph, next 10 to 20 kmph, next 20 to 30 kmph, next 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. These are the speeds you are having, and 40 to 50 you are having, you can say. 40 to 50 you can say, and then 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, and 60 to this is 70 kilometers per hour you are having, and 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and a 90 to 100, right? So exactly similar kind of question was given in ESC mains previously also, right? So it looks similar to that only, right? You can say. Now this is your speed in kmph, you can say, right? This is the speed in which one? This is a kmph, right? Kilometers per hour, right? And what is that? A total number of this frequency rate, a total number of vehicles, if you just observe having that. So what is it? These are 5 vehicles are there in this first range, right? 30 vehicles in the second range, 40 vehicles in the third range, right? 55 vehicles in the fourth range, right? Next 120 vehicles in the next range, right? 100 vehicles in the next range, right? 75 vehicles 35 vehicles and 30 vehicles and this 10 vehicles you can say, right? So that a total comes to be how much you can say, that is your 500 number of vehicles are there in total, right? So now if you just observe this percentage of these vehicles, right? What is that percentage vehicles? If you just observe percentage of vehicles with this particular speed out of this total, right? So out of this 500, right? What is it? You can say 5 means it is 1%. Next 30 means 6%, and 40 by this 500 into 100 will be 8%. Next 11%. Next 24%. Next it comes to be that 20%. Next it comes to be this 15%. Next it comes to be this 7%, 6%, and this 2% if you just observe, right? But here if you wanted to find out this design speed and everything, cumulative percentage of these vehicles with that speed is needed, right? What is the cumulative percentage you can say, right? If you consider this cumulative percentage, right, this is your 1% only, right? 1% plus the 6%, that comes to be 7%, right? 7 plus 8, how much it comes to be? 15% you can say, right? 15 plus 11, how much it comes to be? That is your 26%, right? 26 plus 24, how much it comes to be? 50%, right? 50 plus this 20, how much it comes to be? 70%, right? So 70 plus this 15, how much it comes to be? That is your 85 percentage, right? 85 plus 7, how much it comes to be? That is your 92%. So plus 6, how much it comes to be? That is your 98%, right? 98 plus 200, right? So you can cross check, right? If you are getting 100, that is correct, our calculations are correct. If you are not getting 100 means somewhere you have done wrongly, right? So like that, if you just observe, whenever it is a cumulative percentage of these vehicles, right? So 15%, 15th percentile, and after that 85th percentile you can go for, right? Next you can go for which one? This 98th percentile speeds, right? Generally these are the speeds we are very much interested in. Now what is the design speed of this redesigning of this existing major district road, right? What is the design speed you can say? Design speed is your 98th percentile speed, na? 98th percentile speed. So what is that 98th percentile speed you can say? This is your 80 to 90 kmph, right? So 80 to 90 kmph range means, so which one we can write it? That you can write it as 85 kilometers per hour, right? That average value you can write it absolutely, right? Now what are the upper and lower speed limits for this mixed traffic? So what is that a safe speed limit or this maximum speed limit? What is it you can say? That is your 85th percentile speed, na? So that is your 85th percentile, right? What is that 85th percentile speed? If you just observe how much it is given, 60 to 70, right? So that is 60 to 70 kmph means what is it you can say? 60 to 70 is equal to that 65 kilometers per hour, na? Obviously. Now what is that V minimum, right? Minimum speed limit is equal to which one? This 15th percentile speed, na? So that is your 15th percentile speed you can say. So what is that 15th percentile value? If you just observe for 15th percentile, this is your 20 to 30, right? So that is given as your 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. So what you can consider it as 25 kilometers per hour you can consider it if you just observe, right? Like that. And what is the third bit of this question you can say? What are the different measures to increase the spot speed on this moving road, right? What are the different measures you can take if you just observe? So just we'll be writing briefly, right? First and foremost method is what? Sight distances, right? If you are providing this more sight distance or this more visible distance, suppose if any fellow can see the road for more distance, automatically he will try to maintain higher speeds, na? Without any fear. Because if the road is not visible for longer distance, then we'll get a fear that what is there beyond that we don't know exactly, so it is better we'll maintain lesser speed, like that we'll think. But if the road is visible for longer distance, automatically you can maintain higher speeds, na? That is one thing, right? Sight distance and visibility should be increased, right? Yes, na? So what we need to do? Restrictions to be avoided, right? Second measurement to be taken is what? Restrictions to be avoided, right? Whenever restrictions are there, automatically speeds will be decreased, right? So this is speed restrictions, right? More number of this speed breakers and all these kind of things if you are providing, restrictions will be there, right? More signals, more and more signboards if you are providing, also restriction of speeds. So these restrictions will reduce the speed, so restrictions we try to minimize, right? Next, what is that you can say? right? Simple geometric features we have to select, right? Why we have to go for this simple geometric features? You can say, if you are going for this complex geometric features like this now, so it is very difficult to maintain this high speed, right? If you are providing a simple geometry like this, right, it is better, your vehicle can be traveling fastly, right, without any difficulties, right? Simple geometric features are also required, right? Is not and friction on the surface also must be lesser, na? Friction on the surface also must be lesser, right? Why? Whenever the friction on the surface is lesser, smoothness will be improved, right? Whenever the smoothness is higher, automatically high speeds are possible or not? Obviously, yes, it is possible, right? Less friction surface roads, right? Less friction on surface of these roads, right? Using which kind of road, you can say, using which kind of roads, you can say, we just observe using this surfaced roads, right? Unsurfaced roads and this surfaced roads we are having now. So surface roads are examples are bituminous concrete pavement and cement concrete pavement, right? These are surface roads which will allow higher speeds with less roughness on the surface, right? Unsurfaced road means those are having more roughness, so high speeds are not possible, right? Like that, these are all the different measures you can make to increase the spot speed of vehicles moving on the road, right? Apart from this, you can write n number of measures, right? So whichever the measures you can feel, you can write there, no problem. And now coming to this, what is the last question? Check whether the speed distribution is reasonably normal or not, right? If you just observe, whenever it is a normal distribution, right? Whenever this distribution is like this, you can see it is normal distribution, right? Here it is your speed, here it is your, which one, this frequency percentage, right? If you just consider now, what are the things you are having, you can say. So lesser speeds, so 0 to 10 percentage, 1% vehicles only there, and very much higher speeds also, this is 2% vehicles only, no? Yes or no? So very lesser speed, less percentage of these vehicles, very much higher speed, less percentage of these vehicles, right? In between the speeds are higher, na? In between more vehicles are maintaining the speeds in between, right? These portions are occupied. So with this is distribution is normal or not? Yes, it is normal, right? Yes, normal distribution you will be having, you can say, approximately. So when you can say it is a normal distribution, generally lesser speeds, less number of vehicles, and higher speeds also less number of vehicles, and in between speeds are taken by more number of vehicles, then it is a normal distribution, right? That is satisfying from observation now, obviously, right? This is the answer for this question. So hope the question is, so hope the solution is clear, right? Thank you.